Hey everybody, ever wonder how to take off or put on a camera strap? Well, today I'm going to be showing you just exactly that. Now this method is universal, so this can work for almost every camera, unless you have a different kind of camera strap that you just snap on, or one of those grip kinds as well, which I'll leave in the description so you guys can check those out as well. But let me go ahead and show you step by step how this works, how to take it off and put it on, just so you guys understand how it all works, for those who don't know, for those who have problems trying to put it on and get off. Alright, go ahead and check this out. Alright, so when you're putting on a camera strap, you want to make sure it's nice and snug and very secure, because you don't want this to fall away from your neck, you don't want to drop it, and it's so important that it's tight. So you see that loop right there? That loop is what you want to make sure is nice and snug. And when you're doing this, there's a certain little trick to it to make sure that it is tight and that it's not going to become loose whatsoever. You definitely want to tighten it the best you can, but you can also adjust it with this little loop right there. It is two straps put together. It's actually just the one strap, but you're overlaying the strap inside of this, I would say, I don't know what you call that thing. I really don't. But that little strap holder, I guess you can say. Anyway, it's an adjuster, tensioner kind of thing. Anyway, so it's double layered. So all you're going to do is you're going to pull out the top one first. And then you're going to go ahead and pull out the leftover bit that's underneath, because it's doubled up. So you're going to go ahead and push it through. And you're going to make sure that you can basically just lift it out, and that will give you more slack, so you can go ahead and just pull it right out, and it's going to just come out really easy now. And yeah, and that's also how you would adjust it too, if it's too short and too long. So right now I'm just straightening out the strap so that it's nice and straight, so that I have a it's easy to go ahead and redo this. You want to make sure that when you put a camera strap on, you want to make sure that the grip that's on the inside is facing the same direction as the other side. So you're going to make sure that both ends of the strap are facing the same direction. And that's so important. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you that I'm just going to straighten out the camera strap. And every camera that you have pretty much has these loops. Almost every SLR nowadays has these loops, these little metal keychain holder things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that this is nice and straight first. Make sure that the back end is the back end, and the part that goes around your neck is actually straightened out as well. Now this is on a Fuji X-T1, but it's universal. It's universal for almost every camera. The only difference is that some cameras have a different clip-on strap, but I think essentially that those straps work the same way. They just don't have the whole strap connected. You can unclip them or reclip them on, and that's for accessibility or using a gimbal or anything like that, if you're using the video features. But what you want to make sure is that it's all nice and straight, that you're not going to get it all raveled up around your neck, and you want to make sure that it's going to hold nice and securely. So just make sure, yeah, just straighten out your strap so that's completely straight. Okay. And then what you're going to do is you want to put your strap through one loop, okay? While you're keeping the strap straight, of course. And then what you're going to do is you see that one is already in the tensioner. You want to go ahead and adjust it to how long you want it to be, essentially. And what you're going to do is you're actually going to push up the slack through this loop. And sorry guys, it's kind of hard to do this behind the camera. But then you're going to put your slack through this. And then you're going to loop it underneath the other part of the strap inside. And pull it through. That way it's nice and snug. You want to pull them both through, make sure it's nice and snug, okay? And you can adjust it how long you want it as well. That way it's secure and tight. And with that little tiny thing right there, okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it through both. And what I do is, if it's loose, I just curl it under and then push it back up so that it's nice and tight. There you go. And that's basically it. And if you want to adjust it, you can definitely adjust it, but it's nice and straight, and it's gonna stay secure around your neck, and it's not gonna go anywhere. All right, I hope this video helped, and I hope that you guys learned something if you didn't know how to do this. And I hope it just definitely gave you some useful information. I recently had a subscriber ask me how to do this on my Nikon D7000. Fortunately, every camera is about the same when you're putting on a camera strap. It's pretty easy and very similar in every process that you do this with. So I just wanted to give you this quick video and kind of give you guys an idea how it works. And I hope that this all helped you and everyone watching this. So yeah, go ahead and like this video if you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel, which helps me so much in every way. You guys have no idea. So just so you know, and everything that you guys are interested in, if you have any requests for videos, please let me know as well, and I'll go ahead and see what I can do to make those videos, okay? If you guys are enjoying this, yeah, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you. All right, you all take care, and thank you for watching.